Hi and welcome to Elite Influencing. In this video I'm going to show you how to use widgets on the architect. So the first thing you want to do is come up to My Account and click on Go to Architect. This is where you can edit anything on your website, and everything on the architect is made out of widgets. So this is a text widget, this is a button widget, and this is an image widget, and so on. To access the widgets, you just want to click this widget button over here, and then this is where all of our widgets are. If you want to have a text widget, you click on text, drag out the text widget, and you can change anything you would like. You can change it to say anything you would like. Every widget has a styles and a settings menu. So you can click on the styles to change how the widget looks. And the settings change the functionality of the widget. Every widget has different styles and settings, but they're all pretty similar to figure out. You can also add animations to each widget. That's all for this video, and we'll see you in the next one.